Hi, this is Attorney Doug Jones. Welcome to Elder Law in 5 Minutes. Well, today we're going to be talking about the sad case of Mike and Margie. Mike and Margie loved each other dearly. They'd been married for 50 plus years. They'd worked hard, saved a little bit of money. Their home was paid for, but unfortunately Mike developed early Alzheimer's, and Margie kept him as home as long as she possibly could. Her health wasn't that great itself. Finally, she had to put Mike in the nursing home, and the nursing homes in their area is about $7,000 a month. But because of Mike and Margie's savings, Margie thought she had too much money to get any assistance to help pay for Mike's long-term care. And matter of fact, her friend said, "Margie, you've got too much money to apply for Medicaid. You're just going to have to spend it down." And Margie asked it 2 or 3 places. None of them were elder law attorneys, by the way. But she determined she had too much, or thought she did. So she just wrote a check of $7,000 a month to the nursing home until her money was gone. And $7,000 a month, that will drain many bank accounts in a year or two, and it certainly drained Margie's within that period of time. So Margie did the only thing she thought she could do as the next move, which was go to the bank and take out a home equity loan on their home. Their home was paid for, so she borrowed money on her home equity and used that money to also pay for Mike's care. Once that money was gone, then she went to the nursing home and said, "Look, I've spent all the money, I borrowed all I can, I'm just out of money, I don't know what to do." So they applied for Medicaid for Mike, and he received Medicaid benefits. Now he's in a nursing home receiving the care he needs, and this care is being paid by Medicaid. But let's talk about Margie just a minute. Now Margie's 78 years old, broke, and deep in debt. She's getting a Social Security check every month. Her money's gone. It had all been spent on Mike. She didn't reserve any for herself. She's really stretched thin every month between paying her care, her living expenses, and she started having some care needs now, and all of her money's gone. There's laws in place to prevent the community spouse from being impoverished. The government doesn't want to leave an at-home spouse destitute. Sometimes we call these at-home spouses the well spouse. Well, the well spouses may not be so well themselves. They, like Margie, may start having health care issues. She may need private caregivers to come in, which in our area is like $20 or more per hour. She may need some special equipment. She may need work done on the home to install grab bars or a roll-in tub or walk-in shower or whatever. So, there's a lot of needs that Margie may have down the road that she would need that money for. And the truth is, in Mike and Margie's case, she could have protected most of this money for her benefit, but she just didn't know. She received some bad advice. It wasn't Margie's fault. She just received some bad advice, and she spent all her money. This is a sad case that we see often, and it just didn't have to end that way for Margie. Margie could have preserved most of her money. If you are in this situation, or you are one of the adult kids watching this and your parents are in that situation, one of them's in a nursing home, the other one's just writing a check every month, but they're at home, know that there may be something that can be done. If they're in Arkansas, certainly give us a call, 501-843-9014, or go to our website at arcelderlaw.com. If they are in another state, they may want to check with an elder law attorney in their area. This is a serious issue, and a lot can be saved or lost in a matter of several months. So it's definitely an issue worth checking into. If you're watching this on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified of future videos that we put up. And leave a comment. We always love to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.